Here, in tropical climates, the story of chocolate begins with skilled harvesters carefully plucking ripe cocoa pods at dawn. In the heart of the tropical rainforest, a single machete slice reveals the future of the world's finest chocolates. In the heart of the cocoa harvest, workers expertly open pods to reveal fresh, white beans. In this tropical paradise, artisanal workers carefully craft the perfect conditions for chocolate fermentation to begin. Cocoa beans undergo a crucial transformation here, dried under the warm tropical sun's radiant light. As the sun's warm rays dry the cocoa beans, moisture is slowly evaporated, and they become transport-ready. Thousands of sacks of dried cocoa beans on board, destined for processing factories, a crucial step in the chocolate supply chain journey. Here, the journey of millions of cocoa beans begins, transported by forklifts and cargo ships to distant markets worldwide. Cocoa beans arrive at the factory, where quality control and the chocolate-making process begin in earnest now.
Back it up, steady now.
Watch the line.
Keep the line clear. Watch out below.
Inside this modern chocolate factory, raw cocoa beans undergo a thorough industrial cleaning process now unfolding.
These beans are perfect for the dark chocolate batch.
Agreed, the aroma is exceptional today. We should have this section cleared by noon.
Ensure these are the finest quality beans.
Yes, we are carefully checking for any imperfections now.
Check the color on these.
Yes, very rich. Make sure none of the split ones get through.
I think this batch here is ready for roasting. What do you think?
Yes, the aroma is exactly right.
I agree. Let's clear this section. The temperature on drum 3 is holding steady at 135.
Excellent. The aroma is developing nicely.
Check the moisture levels on the next batch.
Looks good, moving it along.
Make sure the flow rate is steady. Looks consistent on this side.
Ensure the humidity levels are stable on this batch.
They look good, very consistent quality. Check the next shipment.
How are the beans looking over here?
They meet the quality standards, Supervisor. We are ready for grinding.
Check the moisture levels on this batch.
Looks good, but keep an eye on the feed rate.
We need to adjust the settings on the grinder.
Attention all personnel. Line 3 is operating at full capacity. Ensure collection vats are monitored closely.
Check the pressure on line 3. It's running a little high.
Okay, adjusting the flow rate now.
The deep, rich aroma of roasting cocoa fills the air as our cutting-edge machines begin their work.
Here, cocoa nibs are fed into massive grinding machines, marking the beginning of chocolate liquor production.
The temperature is stable at 30 degrees Celsius, the cooling zone holding steady at 20. The secret to perfect chocolate lies in the temper, a precise dance of heating and cooling.
Keep the caramel flow steady on line 3.
Looks perfect, almost ready for cooling.
Welcome to our facility, where we combine the finest ingredients with state-of-the-art precision to create the perfect chocolate experience.
We start with a generous layer of milk chocolate, then add fresh almonds, ensuring quality in every bar.
Here in the assembly area, we combine rich milk chocolate with hazelnut praline and caramel to craft the perfect bite.
As the chocolate bars exit the molding process, they enter the cooling tunnel system, guided through a precise temperature-controlled environment.
As the chocolate leaves the cooling tunnel, it enters a precise, temperature-controlled environment, ensuring perfect crystallization. The chocolate bars exit the cooling tunnel system, their surfaces glistening as they take on their final shape amidst a velvety mist.
As the chocolate exits the cooling tunnel, the precise movement of these chambers ensures the perfect snap and texture for every bar. Utilizing cutting-edge technology, these machines swiftly slice the chocolate, creating precise,
The caramel filling seems slightly off on this one.
I noticed that too. Let's recalibrate the flow.
Make sure the praline is centered.
Yes, and the caramel flow must be steady.
Coating integrity is perfect. Praline and caramel distribution are optimal. Meets all quality standards. Ship it.
Look at the caramel distribution here.
Yes, the viscosity is exactly within tolerance.
The perfect blend of creamy milk chocolate, smooth hazelnut praline, and glistening caramel.
Experience the exquisite craftsmanship. Layers of hazelnut praline and golden caramel enveloped in rich milk chocolate.
Experience the perfect blend of velvety milk chocolate, rich hazelnut praline, and smooth, flowing caramel.
The finished chocolate bar is the epitome of precision and craftsmanship, a testament to the dedication and expertise of the manufacturing team.
Milk chocolate, hazelnut praline, and a flowing caramel center. The epitome of precision craftsmanship.
Experience the rich, velvety texture of our signature milk chocolate, giving way to the delicate hazelnut praline and shimmering caramel.
As chocolate bars glide smoothly on the conveyor belt, precision engineering takes center stage in this high-tech chocolate factory product. High-speed robotic arms delicately pick chocolates, precision packaging transforming them into luxurious, elegantly presented. Inside this high-tech warehouse, precision and speed come together, transforming raw materials into perfect chocolate treats daily.